YouTube? My name is Crumb or Glim for the win. And in today's YouTube video, I'll be showing you how to create a hack for an air jump and a fast break in Minecraft Java Edition. We're going to be doing this using pattern scanning or array of byte scanning. Now this isn't necessary, but we're going to go over it as well. So if you want to keep on finding this dynamically, you can always just do that too. So we're going to go right here and we're going to select the Java w.exe process. Now how do you know what process attaches to Minecraft exactly? What process we're looking for? Because if we type Minecraft in here, we'll see all of these different processes, but these aren't what we're worried about. So to be able to find this, you can use Task Manager or Process Hacker, but we're going to go in here and we're going to see Minecraft Launcher or Minecraft or something right here. And in it, we see Minecraft 1.21.3. We're going to click this and go to details on it. And then you see right here, since it's a Java w.exe, that's how we know that this is the process we're looking for. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and attach to java.exe. Just like that. Alright, and then we're going to go on ahead. Let's first try to find our fast break. So to do this, we're going to do pause the game while we're scanning. We're going to make sure we're looking for 4 bytes. Alright. Now I know that the value for breaking is going to be set to 0 whenever you're not breaking. Alright. And then whenever you break something, that value increases as a float. Actually, we're going to want to do a float. For 4 bytes is for the air jump, but we'll get to that. So now that we have this set up, we're going to start with an unknown initial value. We're going to do this because you don't ever want to scan for value 0 in something like this. It's just going to be too buggy, too laggy, and it's going to take too long. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and we're going to do a first scan. And you see it pause the game. So there we go. We have 748 million different results found. Now to lessen down these values, we're going to use hotkeys, which you can set if you go in here and go to hotkeys. We're going to use hotkeys for changed value right here. So while we're hitting this, we're going to type changed value or increased value. We're actually going to do increased value because we know it increases. So we're going to hit this increased value and then just keep on still be hitting it. Okay, increased value, increased value, just keep doing that. Alright, and then we can stop. And now we're going to go back up here and we're going to do this exact value, and we're going to be looking for 0.000, and then do a next scan, and then we repeat the process. Well, we can go ahead and do an unchanged value, and now we see this right here. I'm guessing this is going to be it. So if we go on ahead and break, you see that value changes, and if we stop, it stops, it goes back to 0. So we're going to go ahead and add that, and we can verify this by freezing it and changing this to 1. Now, whenever I hit this obsidian, if it breaks instantly, then we know it worked. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't want to, but it's trying to do it. You see, if we had a diamond pickaxe or something, then it would break faster. So anyways, we're going to go on ahead and click this and click find out what writes to this address right here. Alright? And then we're going to go back over here to this obsidian and break it. Just keep on breaking it. And then you'll notice that middle one right there, it's constantly moving whenever we break. That's how we know that that's the instruction that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and take this and go to the disassembler right here. Okay. And then in the disassembler, it's going to take us to the memory region that the fast break sits in. This is the instruction for it right here. So we're going to go ahead and go to auto assemble, and then in templates, we're going to do an AOB injection right here. And then we're going to name this fast break, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and change this allocate for the memory right here. We're going to change this to 100 bytes instead of 1000, just because that's not necessary for all that. So right here in the new memory, we'll see RDX plus OC, XMM1 right here, right? So this is what we're going to be working with. Right here, we're going to type if it'll let me use my space bar. I don't know, my keyboard just died. This is why I hate using a wireless keyboard. Plug this in real quick. Alright, so right here, we're going to type move, and then we're going to do RDX plus 0C, and we're going to do comma, and then in this, we're going to do float, and change it to 1. Just like that. Alright, and then in this code right here, we're going to change this to jump new man, or new memory. That's going to bring us back to that code that we just wrote into. And then right here we're going to leave, we're going to type NOP3 to ensure proper instruction alignment. Just like that. Oh, and then up here, we actually want to type jump return. Right there. And that should be it. With that done, we're going to go on ahead and click File, and then assign it to the current cheat table. Then we go right here and click Toggle Selected Records. Give it a second. Okay, and then it's toggled. And now if we go back in the game, you'll see that the fast break is now working. And that's just a simple pattern scan right there for you. Now let's go ahead and work on air jump, alright? So, now I don't know if these two are going to cross a line with each other. We might have to restart the game to get the auto jump to work. Sometimes it's buggy like that. But we're going to go in and do a new scan, and this time we're going to scan for 4 bytes, alright? And we're going to do an unknown initial value. And this time we're going to make sure to pause the game while we're scanning. So we're going to go ahead and do a first scan. Just like that. And then whenever we jump in the air, our value is going to be changed. So we're going to go ahead and do a changed value whenever we jump in the air. So we're going to jump, change to value. Just like that. And now we're back on the ground, so our value has changed again. So we're going to go ahead and do changed value again. And then we're just going to go ahead and repeat that process a couple times. Alright, now you can see a bunch of these values are still changing. To get rid of those, we're going to go ahead and just do an unchanged value. And then, move around a little bit to get some view angles out of there. Move your mouse around. And then we get this right here. This is I actually know this is the value for the air jump right here. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And then if we freeze this and go ahead and jump, you can see air jump is working. So we're going to go ahead and go into this, and then we're going to find out what accesses the address right here. And then we get this long code right here. So we're going to be looking for right here. No. Let's try to find out what writes. So it doesn't look like the right instructions are showing up in here. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go on ahead and restart our game. New scan, wait for us to load in here. Get all that lag out. Everything generate. Come on. Good enough. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do a first scan. Alright, and then if we jump in the air and do a changed value. Changed value again. Now we're getting 2 here. But you see this first one changes to 257 sometimes. So we're gonna go ahead and just use this one. Freeze it to make sure. Yeah. Alright. So we're going to do find out what access is this. Yeah, alright, so here's what we were looking for. Right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this into the disassembler. Right here. And then we're gonna do what we did last time where we generate an AOB injection template. And this time we'll name it air jump. Just like that. Now we're gonna have to do a little bit more code here because we don't want to affect anything else other than the air jump. So as you can see, we have this here, and this here. Alright? So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to set the value of RDX plus 00B9 to its original value, which is 167777473. Or in hexadecimal, it would be OX01000101. Right? So right here, we're going to type move byte pointer 4 times, 4 different instructions. Just like that. And then in here, we're going to do, I'm going to copy this guy and paste you here. Is there one space in there or more than one? Alright, and then we're going to do that a couple times. Alright, and then we're going to change B9 right here to BA. We're going to change B9 right here to BB. We're going to change B9 right here to BC. Alright, and then add commas to all of these guys. And then right here, we're going to set this to 01. This is going to modify only the byte at the target location. Alright? And then right here, we're going to change this to 00 to set the next byte to 00. We're targeting the first byte. That's why we're doing that. Alright, and then we're going to set the second byte to 01 for the desired value. And then we're going to set the third byte to 01 again. Okay? And that's pretty much it for that one. So we're going to go ahead and do File, Assign a Current Cheat Table. Error in line 18. This instruction can't be compiled. What did I do? Oh, I typed move. It's supposed to be MOV, guys. My bad. Just like that. Alright, and then we assign it to the current cheat table. And then we go on ahead and toggle this guy on. Gotta give it a second to load. I don't know why, but I have a shit PC anyway, so that probably has something to do with it. now we go back in game, and air jump is working. And as you can see, it's not frozen. There's no other cheat engine open. Nothing else is open here. No other window tab is open. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and toggle auto brake right here as well. Give it a second. Hopefully it works. Sometimes it can be buggy, like as you saw me before, I had to leave it. So yeah, see, I didn't want to do that. Error while scanning fast brake, not all results found. So the best way to fix that is if you just toggle them both on at the same time, if you wanted to use both of them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. If I missed anything, or if there's something I can improve in these scripts, just let me know. I'll leave a GitHub page in the description below for this as well, if you're interested in that. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.